Meaning of dormant.
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 Dormant. Dormant refers to a state of inactivity or inaction. When something is dormant, it is not actively growing, developing, or functioning. Dormancy can apply to living organisms like plants and animals when they enter a period of temporary sleep or rest. It can also refer to non-living things like bank accounts, which become dormant when there have been no transactions for a certain period of time. In general, a dormant state signifies a lack of outward activity or movement, but the potential for future growth or action remains.